An easy extra credit element for your travel guide is the table of contents. Table of contents is one of the last pages we do because by the time you make it to table of contents, you have a really good idea of where your pages are going to remain in your publication. Table of contents is always a really easy way to also add some additional pages so you can make sure your publication is divisible by 4 pages. Remember, your publication needs to be 12, 16, 20, 24 pages in order to print out correctly in a saddle stitch tabloid style. Remember, page 1 is your front cover, page 24 is your back cover. When you are looking at your table of contents, things you need to consider. You need to have heads and subheads. You've got to work in that publication logo. You've got to include your entry for the different types of publication elements. So tell me which page I'll find the welcome letter, the general information, the timeline. Where's your entertainment, your recreation, your food and hotels? Where is your top 10? You need to make sure that those table of contents numbers appropriately match the pages that they're on. So if you tell me the welcome letter's on page 3, the welcome letter had better be on page 3. I'm looking for at least 3 different graphic elements. I don't just want you to slop something in there, do something fun with it. Looking for those photo credits, looking for 300 DPI. And always, packaged and paced appropriately. So you should be turning in the same publication over and over again. So if we look at this type, we can see that this could easily be this Welcome to Paradise could easily be a 2-page spread. Generally, you want to put just the first page of your story. You don't need to put both. It depends on how you want to tell that story. Do you want to float some of those elements over your pictures? Table of contents is one that's really, really easy to find some really great inspiration pieces for. So how do you want to go ahead and tell that story? This one's going to go ahead and tell it, kind of gives me the little page numbers here. Maybe I want to incorporate the map. Maybe I want to incorporate my welcome letter. So it really depends on how you're going to work that out. Generally, it's a pretty fast page to make, especially if you're going to just do like a major 2-page spread. Throw your stuff in there. When you're doing tables of contents, you don't put things like ads in. You just want to kind of tell us where those elements are. And obviously, table of contents goes towards the beginning of your publication. And it's pretty easy way to get some good points. Hope to see them great.